Do you want to know how to add signature in Gmail? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. To set up a signature in Gmail, go to the top right hand corner of the UI, click the gear icon for settings, then follow up by clicking see all settings. Make sure you are in the general settings area and not in the inbox or label or anything like that. Then scroll down to the near bottom until you find the signature area. You can see here there are no signature. You will want to click on create new. I'm going to create a signature for work. I will type in work, then click on create. Next I'm going to write in my work signature. Here it is. Adjust the sizing and font of anything written in here. I can adjust the color as well. Maybe you want to insert the logo of your company, you can do that as well. Move your cursor down to the bottom, then click on insert image. I'm going to insert some random image, and it will insert it quite large in the beginning, and I will want to move that down to smaller size so it doesn't stand out too much when I'm sending out emails. After creating a work signature, I want to take advantage of Gmail functionality. This allows me to create a multiple different situational signatures. I will want to create one for personal now. And now once my signature is set up, I want to talk about the settings down. For new emails right now it says there are no signature, which means your emails will go out completely blank at the bottom. If I writing a personal email, I would opt for a personal signature, and again for work it's the same thing here. We would use work. The one I always like to consider is the one here. When you reply or forward an email to someone, do you want your signature to appear? This is really up to you for personal preferences. I preferably found that when I work I tended to not have my signature or replies because it fills up a long email threads quite quickly. If you like me, you're probably using Gmail mostly for personal use. I will select the personal signature for new email. I will not put any signature on for the replies, and here it asks, do you want to put our signature before quoted text in replies? This is basically asking, do we want to put our signature above somebody else's text in an email thread, the text you are replying to? I'm going to leave this off for now. If you leave this off and you do want reply signatures in your email, then they will end up at the very bottom of this email. Once we are happy with all of signature settings, I will scroll to the very bottom and click save changes. After clicking on save changes, this drops up a back in Gmail inbox. If I compose a new message, I can see the signature for my personal signature pops up right here. I can always choose to delete it manually. Also, you can click the signature in here. So if I don't want the personal signature, I can actually select the work signature and it will change for me automatically. So this is how you can add your signature in your Gmail. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.